Welcome back to Just Drive It. Is there something wrong with this picture? Tire's off. Come along with us. So if you'd have been out here this morning, you'd have found that tire on this rim on this car. And for those who have been around for a little while, you have noticed that when I was at the No Name Nationals, there were slot mags on the rear, or when I had the drag radials on, they had American Racing wheels. But one of these slot rims was on that side, but this was a steel rim. What happened? Well, this is one of those things where you have to be, well, kind of patient, and in my case, very thankful, because Robert from Halfway House Garage did me a big one. I was missing that rim. I had found Chevy rims, and more Chevy rims for those. However, I could not find the Dodge or Ford 5-on, 4.5 bolt pattern. So what ended up happening is Robert has himself a nice little collage of, well, let's just say these style rims at his house that he's got all up on a wall and everything. And he did me a real solid. I went and got another one of these, and he actually traded straight across my rim for his rim, which is pretty awesome because, you know, most people don't want to trade off just one rim because it'll mismatch a set of rims that you have, like what I have in this problem, even though these are 15s in the rear, 14s in the front. But in his case, since he had bought so many singles, he was able to give me one without it causing a problem. So I want to say thank you very much, Robert. I really appreciate it. It really helps to finish out this car by putting that on there, even though there's other stuff that needs to be done. But I got what I wanted on it. He was able to help me out. And that's where I got to say, hey, help out your buddies. Sometimes they need it. And when you do, just remember that if they help you, be thankful, be grateful, and show it. Because you never know what you may have that they need, and vice versa. Because sometimes that's what keeps a project going and keeps somebody from just losing it. Putting it on the back burner, selling it, all kinds of stuff. So, what goes around comes around, but remember, thankful and grateful. So, we're going to put this back on. We're going to take and store this because it is getting another rim here sometime soon. This one is actually a disc brake rim, so desirable rim for a steel rim, but not for this car. We wanted that. So, thank you again. We'll come back in a minute. One other tidbit, and something that really gets me. Why do they sell it only in 4-packs? I always need this style lug nut in 5s, not 4s. Okay. And Houston, we have a problem. That ain't what it was supposed to do. Well, I'm gonna have to take and buy a different type of lug nut, I guess. But for the time being, those are on there for the moment. I will come back, take this back off, and fix this problem. I can't believe, never had that happen before, but it did. Oh well. All right. Well, here it is. Yeah, it's right there. Anyways, it's on. Yeah, tell me about it. But it's good. I'm still thankful, still grateful. Remember to help your friends, your buddies, the other guys in the community, and just drive it.